Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Merdhutillah, a member of Statistics for Linguistic and Literary Study class. We'll talk about the three first points for the material. The first material will be the definition of statistic. Statistic is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data. It is all about data. First, you have to collect the data. For example, you could do a survey, perform some experiments, etc. After we collect our data, we surely need to organize it, from the least to the greatest, or maybe make a graph. In analyzing the data, we find the specific meaning of the data that we've been collected, whether it is the mean, median, etc. The purpose of analyzing the data is to give the sense of what the data is all about, and then we interpret the data to know what is it all about and how it could help us answer for the question we were looking for. The second one is the how statistics can be used to analyze linguistic data, and the example. Statistic analysis is very useful to understand the quantitative structure of linguistic data. Linguistic analysis, as ordinarily performed at present, tends to be largely qualitative. It could be applied to the descriptive technique of phonetics, morphology, and syntax. To analyze it, we need data and statistics to help us. For example, we want to know how much language influenced the understanding of the student in international class. So, the data will be how far the language skill of the student. So, apparently, student who speaks fluent English understand the study more than who doesn't. And the last point is what subject in linguistics that can be analyzed using statistics. The answer is macro-linguistic, of course, because it is focused on other crucial fields such as social linguistics, which talk about the society, anthropolinguistic about human and culture, and etc. The conclusion of this video is that statistics is a study that useful to analyze data, and it also very helpful in linguistic research.